Alright. Gray Man Bushcraft. Urban Bushcraft. Whatever you want to call it. Anyways. My 4 Directions Bushcraft. 5x1/2 inch rod. Got my key fob. Keep cotton in it. Clips right to my coat. I've always got it right there whenever I need it. So I've tried to shoot this video a million times. The software on my camera keeps on jacking up for some reason. Anyways, I got my little hobo stove. Got me some 4 Directions Bushcraft fat wood shavings in here. I can't feel my daggone fingers. There we go. I'm going to pour them in there. We'll pour them down in there. And fluff up that little cotton ball. A little bit of cotton ball oil. Ram that right up in there. I get my 4 Directions Bushcraft rod and my Mora Eldris. Go check out Desert Adventurer on YouTube. He gave me this knife as a gift. Thank you, Sean. Yep, there we go. Yep, there we go. She's on fire. She's on fire. She's on fire. Anyways, now that my boots aren't done, damn it, I can't see nothing. Anyways, there's my little hobo stove, just burning away. Now, that was a bad little mamma jamma, boy. I'm glad I built that thing, but it kind of sucks because I don't really have much to burn around here other than wild grasses and river reeds and just, I mean, it's not exactly camping, but I'm getting out of the house for a minute anyways, so, I mean, I'm getting away from everybody, so it is what it is. You got to work with what you got. So, fire's out. Got me a little bit of coffee heated up. Damn pan's still a little on the warm side. So, I like to use this stainless steel to heat up the water. Skull. Just enjoying a little bit of coffee out here. So, I'll catch you on the next one.